morning and welcome to my channel. Thank you for being with me today, and thank you to all my new subscribers I've had recently. It's great that you're coming along with me. Now I have a flip through of the two file folders I made. I've made the base with this one, showing you how to do it. I'll start with this one. It's quite a simple file folder. As you know, you've just seen how the base is made. I've done a very simple journal with not a lot of decoration. You start off with, there's a pocket here. I haven't filled pockets or anything. You'll see why shortly when we get to the paper bag. This one, I have put a few bits in both of them. There's this here. I've used the Sweet Blossom kit from Pink Monarch prints. This is just a piece of paper I've had left over, so I folded over, put one of her tabs and one of the journal cards on the front to fit in there. As I say, as you can see, it's quite simple. There's a couple of little labels there. I've stenciled on there, which I think I showed you when I was showing you how to make the base. Beautiful middle page. I think I was planning on putting this, sorry about that, I was planning on putting that there as a top loading pocket, but I might just put it in where I've got the ephemera. Another side, again the same idea. I've doubled over a piece of paper I had left over, some of my faux vintage tape, and made that into a card to slot in there. I did a quick bit of decorating there. You can see it's all quite plain, tuck spot. An envelope that I've made but I've left open so that you can write in there, or you could glue that up yourself and then put something inside it if you wanted to. Entirely up to you. And that's the end. Then we had the paper bag I put in here, and there's various pieces of ephemera that I have made just with the journal cards and backed. This was from pieces that I had left over again of some of the papers. And then inside I have put some of the papers that I've got left over. So you have a selection of papers here to do to make whatever you wish. And then I also have some vintage pieces. I'll slot this off and just show you quickly. Vintage postcard, ballet, playing card, some embossed papers, using texture paste, some more embossed papers, some pieces here, and then some vintage book pages from the late 1800s, early 1900s. There. So you can see all of them, which are great for you to use to decorate with. Again, I will put all this aside. And then also I've put in here a glassine envelope, and in which I've included a few pieces of ephemera that haven't been used. Oops, put that in the right way. So you could also use the bag, the glassine bag. So that's the one I did with my lace is all falling down, my tablecloth. Is the one I did on camera, the actual base. This one is the one I made before using JaneyB's Venice kit. I think I'll put this one to music because I've kind of shown you what you're doing with that one there. I've printed the digital pages onto cream paper and also some of the ephemera onto cream card, so it comes out a bit more vintage, a sepia style, which I quite liked. I've left a lot of the pages blank, as you can see, so there's plenty of space for journaling, but there is also the ephemera packs and the book pages, etc., for decorating as you wish. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.